Good night. My name is Jonathan Andres Dulce Patiño. I am 29 years old. I am Colombian. It's policeman. You live in the municipality of Yarumal, Antioquia. I live Olo. I am studying that. Technology and software development studying the second semester. I love to go out to west to know different places and learning about their cultures. The tracks and gobbling in the I do not tolerate any mile views and I hate having to wait on the day. 4 months ago I was in the city of the Cartagena enjoying my vacation in the company of the friends and family enjoying a hot climate and wearing to know that. Different tourist sites such as the Castillo San Felipe, La Muralla, Cerro La Popa, the India Catalina, the Bahia Cartagena, and different cities. My future plan is the travel to the United States, learn, learn a little more about their life, their cultures, the ways they live, as the well and visited tourists and highlight important for thy country shows Las Vegas, Las Vegas, Hollywood, Miami Beach, the Casablanca, and Oslo visits to my realities to be able to exercise of the no sister for years.